Not a good start to our day. Well, yeah, it's technically 1 o'clock p.m., guys. Oh no. First day of tornado sirens in 2015. This is insane. Guys, we have a possible tornado over here coming. Oh god. So yeah, guys, tornado sirens today. It may come or it may not. It's not expecting tornado sirens today. The tornado sirens just passed, it sounds like. Starting to quiet down now.
Yeah, it's heading northeast of us.
Oh, it's heading northeast. Okay, so guys, it looks like we don't have much to worry about other than the tornado sirens today. See you guys.